Hi guys! We are staying at home a lot again in Hong Kong, and I thought I should do some skincare sharing because the last time I did a vlog about skincare was quite some time ago. This time I wanted to share with you guys the empties that have been in my skincare routine. Empties are like products that I completely finish, like not one drop left. Every single last drop I've used, and some of them I've repurchased them a good several times. So let's go. First up, it would be definitely the Essence of Skin Caviar Eye Complex with Caviar Extracts by La Prairie. As you know, this is one of my favorite eye products. I've been using this religiously for 8 or 9 years, continuously. So I haven't stopped using it until recently. I've just been lazy to buy it online, and I've been using other products that have been sent to me or I've purchased. So I'm trying new stuff, but this item I will always go back to because it is such a good eye serum. I love the texture. I remember back when I first started using this many years ago, I used to buy it at the Sydney Airport duty free, and it was a really good price. I think the prices have increased, but even so, I would still repurchase this, and this would be a must-have item in my skincare routine or in my cabinets. Along with the eye serum, we definitely have to talk about eye cream. A lot of girls ask me, oh, do we need to use eye cream? Yes, you need to use eye cream. You can't just put face cream on your eyes and pretend it's eye cream. It doesn't work like that. Your eyes are really delicate, and I urge every single one of you who have not started using eye cream to use it, because this area is so delicate. You get wrinkles really easily, especially expression lines, and if you wear makeup, it dries out your skin a lot. So along with the eye serum, I've been using the La Prairie eye creams for some time now as well. So I've used a few in their series, in their skincare line. So there's a platinum one, there's a cellular one, there's a skin caviar one. I like all of them. Most of their textures are really velvety, and I love that velvety texture. The scent may be different from product to product. Some of them might be a little bit thicker. So for me, what I go for is texture first, then price. If you really don't like the texture when you try it on, no matter how affordable it is or how attractive the price is, I would say don't go for it, because you have to use it every single day. So far, I've liked most of the eye creams from La Prairie. I would say this is my go-to eye serum, and you can partner it with an eye cream from La Prairie. Back many years ago, I used to religiously use the Estee Lauder Verite cream, and it has been discontinued. I used to have a stash of 4 or 5 in my drawers because I would use it non-stop, and I recommended so many friends to use it. They don't have it anymore. Since then, I haven't been dedicated to one moisturizer for a very long time. I've just been switching around until recently. I have been using the Ceramide Concentrating Balm. So this is completely nearly empty, and this is my 4th jar. So the Ceramide Concentrating Balm is a Korean skincare brand. It is not considered top tier, it's more of a mid tier, but it is such a great product because it is 100% vegan, great for sensitive skin, great for dry skin, and it's completely safe for pregnant women or breastfeeding women to use. So that is how sensitive and how natural their products are. It's 100% natural. So this is good for if you have skin allergies or your skin easily breaks out. It is called a balm because it is slightly thicker. I like it. I like the thickness because I feel like the aircon or the heater dries my skin out a lot, so I don't mind it. But if you find it a little bit too thick or sticky when you buy this home, you can spray it with a little bit of mist, and you can kind of like dilute it down a little bit, and it will absorb into your skin. So this has been my cream during summer or during winter. During winter, I just lather it on my face, like a good amount on my face when I go to bed in the morning, and I love it. During summer, I might spray a bit of mist just to make it a little bit lighter. So this is completely up to you, but this is my go-to face cream. I like to use a lot of different like floral mists, or like to use mists on my face, because before I apply any sort of makeup, or sometimes at home I just need to freshen up or reapply something, I like to use mist just to spray on my face because it's super simple and refreshing and quick. The one that I've been using a lot is the Pure Rose Water Rose de Mai from Chantecaille. So Chantecaille is completely vegan and it's a French skincare brand. I started using this last year. After using their first bottle, I fell in love with it. So the first bottle was a gift to me from Chantecaille, and now I have 2 or 3 spare bottles in my cupboard. I really like it because on days where I feel like my skin's really tired and dry, or I feel like some parts of my skin feel a little bit irritated, I just spray it lightly and then I reapply my serum or cream onto my face, and it just soothes my skin. The reason why I don't have this empty bottle to show you guys is because the bottle is made out of glass. So I didn't want that around the house in case if someone leaves it lying around or someone knocks it over, the glass will shatter. So I actually disposed of this empty bottle. Next, let's talk about serums. My latest favorite serum that I have repurchased is the Clarins Double Serum. I've known about the Clarins Double Serum for so long, like I've seen it around for so long, and I have so many friends that use it. I just didn't understand why. I never ever tried it until recently. So recently I tried this. The first time experience wasn't like, wow, I love it so much. But then I kept on trying it for another week and I started to fall in love with it. It's such a nice texture. It's so easy to rub into your skin and your skin absorbs it so easily. So the double serum has 2 different actions, like 2 serums. When you pump it out, it combines the 2 serums together. So it's a complete age control concentrate. So this is great for anti-aging. It's so easy. It smells nice. And I find that it really doesn't dry out my skin. With some serums, I find that after an hour or 2, my skin starts to feel kind of dry again. It feels like it needs to be rehydrated again. With the double serum, I think the formula has a little bit of oil inside. It's so nice and it keeps my skin hydrated for longer periods of time. So I'm loving the double serum lately. I finished 1 bottle and I'm halfway through this bottle, and it's quite affordable. It's about $900 for a size like this. So compared to a lot of top tier brand, this one is definitely something I feel like it's worth trying and it won't put a hole in your wallet. This is also a moisturizer. If you know this brand, it's called Tatcha, a Japanese skincare brand, and this is called the Soothing Skin Protectant. So this is kind of like the indigo cream. Why it's called the indigo cream is because the cream color is actually a bluey color. So this cream helps to soothe the irritations and redness in your skin. When you first apply it to your face, it is a little bit weird. You do see that bluey color, but once you kind of like rub it in a bit and once you kind of massage it into your face, the color is gone. So you will look normal. Don't worry, you don't end up looking like a Smurf. I enjoyed this cream quite a lot. This first bottle was a gift from Tatcha. I checked the prices, it's $770 for 50 ml. Will I purchase this myself? Yes, I will, because I think it's a great product and it works really well with my sensitive skin. So definitely I will try this again. I'll probably use it alternately with the Ceramine together, because they both have similar functions. So this is really down to how much you like the product, the scent and the texture. I've been using a lot of cream masks lately because I've said before, I feel like cream masks allow you to be more mobile around the house. When you're doing a paper mask, sometimes when you're walking around the house, sometimes it tends to kind of like fall off your face. That's a bit annoying. The latest mask that I've been using quite a lot is the Jasmine and Lily Healing Mask. It's a very nice floral scent. It's a very nice kind of like fluffy texture, so I just apply it onto my face and I'd walk around the house with it for an hour or so and then I'd just wipe it off. It's also by Chantecaille. It's incredibly soothing for hydrated skin, and there's chamomile, so if you have dry sensitive skin, this is a great product to use. As you know, I'm using a lot of products that are mainly targeting sensitive and dry skin because that is my main skin issue that I have. A good thing about sensitive dry skin is I don't really get a lot of pimples, but the bad thing is I get fine lines and my skin feels dry really quickly during the day. So I definitely need to hydrate and moisturize a lot. Okay, last but not least of my empties for now is not a skincare product but a hair product. I've bleached my hair in the past year and I've bleached it a few times, and also I wash my hair very frequently. Every time I go out and come home, I wash my hair, and I think that has dried my hair out. I feel like my hair is always dry, sometimes it's a bit frizzy. During normal times, I would go down to the salon, do a hair treatment or some sort, but these days I'm super busy and lazy, so I've resorted to some sort of home treatment, home care. So I asked my stylist what's something good I could use simple at home, and she recommended this, the K18. So this product is super simple to use. What you do is you shampoo your hair when it's a bit damp, not dripping wet. Squeeze a little bit, pump a little bit, and then you rub it into the ends of your hair. Apply as much as you need. Once you do that, leave it for 4 minutes or so. After 4 minutes of leaving in your hair, don't rinse it out. Just dry your hair with a towel as usual, and then just blow dry your hair or style your hair as you need. After applying this product, the texture of your hair feels smooth. It feels like there's a protective coating before I do any sort of blow drying or straightening. And after styling my hair, I can tell that it's smoother and it's easier to style. If you have time to leave it for longer, not just 4 minutes, you can actually leave it on the ends of your hair for a bit longer and then use it as like a hair mask or a hair treatment. I sometimes use it as a styling treatment as well. So before I want to style my hair, let's say my hair is dry, ready to style, I'll kind of spray a bit of water in my hair and then I will use this mask on the ends of my hair, and then I will continue to style my hair. I feel like looking after your hair is just as important as looking after your skin. So if you're looking for something for your hair, you can give this a try. So these are my recent empties. I hope you've enjoyed my vlog, and if you have any questions about any of these, please leave a comment and I'd be happy to answer them.